Hi guys, welcome to the Crypto Geek channel. This is Professor Andrew Smith. Today we are going to discuss, yet again, some more cryptocurrency basic questions, which my student usually ask me. I would strongly recommend to watch the part 1 video on the same topic, as in this basic question series when I'm trying to answer first the basic questions and then we will move to more in-depth discussions. The most common question which is asked to me is cryptocurrency legal? According to the Central Reserve Bank, as the monetary authority, regulator of the financial system, and watchdog of payment systems, there is currently no legal or regulatory framework applicable to cryptocurrencies or their equivalents. Some of you will be interested to know, is it safe to invest in cryptocurrency? Investments are always risky, but some experts say cryptocurrency is one of the riskier investment choices out there. However, digital currencies are also some of the hottest commodities. Another very common question is, can you get scammed on cryptocurrency? Crypto investors can increase their odds for success by identifying common scams, such as Ponzi schemes, fake ICO, and fraudulent exchanges. Some scams, such as ICO scams, remain the same, but there are other, novel forms, such as social media and social engineering scams. Other question is, can Bitcoin will just disappear in some day? Bitcoin can never disappear. Remember that Bitcoin was first run by one computer, 10 years ago and worked perfectly. As long as one computer in the entire world runs a Bitcoin node and enable mining, the Bitcoin network will continue. As Amazon one of the top marketplace, so my students also ask me, will Amazon accept Bitcoin in future? Amazon-owned leading game streaming platform accepts Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash as payment for its services. The company removed this option on March 2019 but then re-enabled it later on. Can Bitcoin or any cryptocurrency can be converted to cash? Yes, you can convert Bitcoin to cash at a Bitcoin ATM or through a Bitcoin exchange. Some students also asked very important question, can Bitcoin get stolen? There have been many cases of Bitcoin theft. One type of theft involves a third party accessing the private key to a victim's Bitcoin address, or of an online wallet. If the private key is stolen, all the Bitcoins from the compromised address can be transferred. So the next questions arises, can stolen Bitcoins be traced? While Bitcoin is supposed to be difficult to track, a number of tracing firms have sprung up to help law enforcement. Law enforcement agencies have been able to track stolen Bitcoins many times in the past. Can Bitcoin work without internet? Transaction can be done offline, by giving the private keys of a Bitcoin address. What are the dangers of cryptocurrency? The risks of trading cryptocurrencies are mainly related to its volatility. They are high risk and speculative, and it is important that you understand the risks before you start trading. They are volatile. Unexpected changes in market sentiment can lead to sharp and sudden moves in price. Can one Bitcoin make you a millionaire? While it may be difficult, theoretically, one Bitcoin can eventually make you a millionaire. The value of Bitcoins changes regularly, sometimes quickly. So if you buy or mine $10 in Bitcoins, then trade them for $1,000 because the value increased, you will have made $990. Can I buy $100 worth of Bitcoin? You can buy fractional shares of Bitcoin and your investment will rise and fall as Bitcoin does so, and yes, you could make money starting with $100. One student asked me one time, can I buy a car with Bitcoin? The fact is, it has really always been possible to buy any car, for Bitcoin. You just have to sell your Bitcoin for cash first, then use that to buy the car. Recently Tesla have started accepting Bitcoin for car purchases. That's all. For this part of the video you can find some more common questions and their answers in part 3 of this series. Also don't forget to subscribe this channel to support me so that I can spread free education.